Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to print only selected text in Microsoft Word. This is useful when you only want to print specific parts of a document rather than the entire thing. Step 1. First, open your Microsoft Word document and select the text you want to print. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text. Step 2. Press Ctrl plus P on your keyboard or click on File and then Print. This will open the Print dialog box. Step 3. In the print settings, look for the page range section. Click on the drop-down menu and select Print Selection. Step 4. Click the print button or press Enter to print your selected text. Only the highlighted portion will be printed. Here are some helpful tips. Make sure your selection includes all the text you want to print. You can also select multiple separate sections by holding the Control key while selecting. Before printing, use Print Preview to ensure everything looks correct. And that's how you print selected text in Microsoft Word. This feature helps you save paper and print exactly what you need. Thanks for watching.